In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Send Bulk Email Constant Contact. To get started, log in to your Constant Contact account and go to the Contacts page. This is where Constant Contact keeps the list of people you can email, along with any tags or lists you have organized. Using the Contacts area is a reliable way to send an email to a specific group, because you can choose exactly who receives your message. Once you are on the Contacts page, look through your contact list and find the people you want to email. Next to each contact name, you will see a checkbox. Take the checkbox for each person you want to include in this bulk send. Take your time here because this selection determines your recipients. A helpful tip is to pause and double-check that you are only selecting contacts who have permission to receive your emails and that you are targeting the correct audience for your message. After you have selected your contacts, find the Actions button. Click Actions and then choose Send Email. This tells Constant Contact that you want to email the specific contacts you just selected, rather than sending to your entire list. Now you will be prompted to choose an email campaign. Pick the email campaign you want to send. This should be the message you have already created and saved, with the correct subject line, content, and any branding elements you want included. When you have chosen the right campaign, click Continue to move forward. Before you send, take a moment to review the details on the confirmation screen. This is your final checkpoint to verify the campaign name, the recipients you selected, and any important settings that appear on the review page. It is worth scanning your email for obvious issues, like missing links or incorrect information, because once it is sent, you cannot pull it back. When everything looks correct, click Send Now. Constant Contact will begin delivering your email to the selected contacts. That covers everything you need to know.